So now guys, I teach you the settings of filler. So look at the settings of filler. This is for preparation for capping. So that is the filler, guys. So you just down. You just down for preparation. This one for preparation filling or capping. So that is the settings, guys, for our preparation filling for capping. So yan ang ating settings, guys. Tingnan nyo. So malapit siya sa bevel. Malapit siya doon sa pinakalabi. Ayan guys, tingnan nyo yan yung pinaka-settings niya. So ang travel natin ngayon, guys, our travel now is 65, guys, for filling preparation for capping. So we adjust if too much up the welding, so you just more speed or down speed. So depend upon on you, guys. If welding good, so go on this one. So ngayon, guys, we are start now. So look at, guys. So nagsisimula na tayo sa preparation for capping. So that is the result, guys. Very good, guys. Look at the result. So that is the preparation for capping. That is preparation for capping, guys. Kung nakikita nyo, guys, nasa baba yung hinang. So 65 ang travel natin yan, guys. 65. So good result, guys. Very good result. So our amperes, guys, and voltage is the same. Our voltage is 28 and our amperes is 420. Our travel is 65. 65 our travel, guys, for filling preparation. Filling preparation for capping. So that is the result, guys. Look at the result. Very good result, guys. That is filling preparation for capping. Filling preparation for capping. So ipapakita ko sa inyo, guys, ang sa unahan. Kung titingnan mo, if you observe the side, so iba yung hinang niya, iba yung master ng hinang niya kung ikumpara mo sa dito sa sinisimulan na natin. So yan yung pangatlong pasada, that is third layer, that is filling, third layer from routing. So ito naman ang first preparation. So first preparation ito. Yan yung first line. Preparation for capping. So first line siya, guys. Yan ang preparation natin sa capping. Yan lang, guys. Tapos Yung susunod naman na failure natin, medyo itaas naman natin kunti ang settings niya para maging maganda yung result. So ayan na guys. So tapos na tayo sa first layer of preparation for capping. So that is first layer preparation for capping. So yan yun guys. So travel lang tayo punta naman tayo sa pangalawa. So itaas lang natin ng konti guys ang ating peller. So itataas natin ang ating peller. Yan guys. Yan yung tutok ng peller natin. So that is our settings of peller for second layer preparation for capping. Second layer preparation yan for capping. So ayan guys. So yan guys, nagsisimula na tayo sa second layer of preparation. So that is the result guys. Our travel is 50 guys. Our travel is 50. 50. That is second layer preparation for capping. So these settings guys, no need grinding. No need grinding for levelization, for level. Our voltage and amperes is the same. So our voltage is 28. Our amperes is 420. Our travel is 50 guys. 50. 50. So look at the result guys. If your preparation guys is level, so no need grind for capping. So after this preparation, so we proceed to capping. So make sure guys your preparation is very good. So your preparation is very good welding, so very good settings. Your peller, so no need grind. So you capping early guys. No need grind to level. So after this, maybe only last layer, this coming third layer, so we proceed to capping guys. So ginawa ko to guys para may idea kayo, lalo na sa mga gustong matututo sa paghihinang ng automatic good welding. So panoorin nyo lang to guys. Huwag nyo kalimutan i-like, i-subscribe ang aking channel Tirador Audrey. At marami pa kayong matutunan guys. Marami pa akong mga isi-sharing na mga videos para sa pag-share natin sa ating mga kaalaman. Ayan guys, so maganda yung plaster niya guys. So pag maganda yung settings mo sa preparation mo, hindi na kailangan guys i-grind para mag-capping ka. So ang kasunod dyan, capping na. So good results guys. So pangalawang layer na yan guys, pangalawang layer sa preparation for capping. So this is second layer of preparation for capping. Then guys, ito na yung last layer natin. Last layer of preparation for capping. So yan yung settings ng failure niya guys. So nasa itaas na siya. So dati nasa bandang gitna siya, tapos sa pinakamababa. Ngayon pangatlo, nasa taas na siya. So yan ang settings ng failure niya. So yung failure distance guys, so more than 3 mm guys. More than 3 mm from workpiece. So mula sa pinaka welding, so more than 3 mm para hindi siya didikit guys. So start na tayo ngayon guys. So na-flux down na tayo. Ang travel natin ngayon guys is 48. So ayan guys, so binaba ko ng konti ng 48 guys ang travel. So ganun pa rin yung amperes natin sa voltage. Ganun pa rin. So start na tayo guys. Okay na, start na tayo. So ayan guys, nagsimula na tayo guys. Gumagana na yung amperahe sa voltahe natin. So tingnan natin yung result guys. So yan yung result guys. So kunting baba na lang kayo guys kung sakaling medyo mataas ang settings nyo. So bahala na kayo mag-adjust guys. Kung gaano kalalim yung bibil nyo guys, bahala na kayo mag-adjust sa travel nyo. So ngayon yan yung result nya. So capping na ang kasunod yan guys. Capping na ang kasunod yan, capping. So naka-level na yan guys, level na. So capping na ang kasunod natin. So mula 50 guys, from 50 speed, travel speed. So I need to build down guys 48 travel speed. So that is the result guys. Next is capping guys, capping. So ang kasunod nito guys ay capping na. So capping na ang kasunod natin. Ito na yung final preparation natin guys for capping. So guys, ito na guys, first layer na tayo ng capping guys. So we are now first layer of our capping. So first layer of our capping guys. Now my travel is 94 guys. So 94 ang travel guys. So now 94 guys ang travel natin. So ganoon pa rin ang amperes natin sa voltage. So the same voltage, the same amperes. Only travel is 94. Okay guys. So that is our first layer guys. From preparation to capping. that is first layer guys of capping. So guys, ito na yung second layer guys. So this is our second layer. That is second layer of capping guys. Ang travel natin guys is 90. Our travel is 90 guys. The same amperes guys and voltage. So look at the result guys, second layer of capping. So nandito na tayo ngayon sa third layer guys. So yan na yung third layer natin. Third layer na yan guys. Ang travel natin guys is 92. So ganun pa rin yung voltage natin, the same voltage and the same amperes. So that is our settings of last capping guys, our fourth capping. So that is our settings of failure. So look at guys, that is our settings of failure guys. So habang nag-running kayo guys, pinapatakbo nyo yung machine papunta dun sa sisimulan, i-settings nyo na yung failure nyo. I-settings nyo na. Yan yung third layer guys. So mag fourth layer na tayo guys, bago tayo magsimula doon. Yan. So naka third layer na tayo, fourth layer na kasunod guys. So that is a last layer of capping guys. So dito tayo magsisimula. Ayan. Ayan. So naka-settings na yung failure natin. Ayan. So dyan tayo magsisimula guys. Dyan tayo magsisimula. Ayan. Simula tayo dyan. So mag-flux down tayo. Okay, naka-flux down na. Hirap ka na lang daw. 95 ang travel natin guys, 95. So nag-start na tayo guys sa ating fourth layer. Ayan guys, nag-start na tayo. That is our fourth layer guys. So yan na yung ating fourth layer. Last layer na yan guys. So tapos na tayo guys. We are finished welding. Don't forget to like and subscribe guys my channel Tirador Otri. And don't forget to click the bell notification and comment below. So that is the result guys of our fourth layer. Our fourth layer, the last capping. The last capping guys. Our travel guys is 95. Our amperes and voltage is the same. So 120 amperes, 420 amperes. Again then 28 voltage. So I hope guys you have learned a lot of welding, AGW-automatic girth welding. So may natutunan kayo guys. Share ko to sa inyo para naman kung kayo naman ay gusto nang matuto dito, mayroon na kayong mga idea. So yan yung proper settings guys sa failure. Mula preparation, from preparation to capping. So this is the result of our capping. So if your preparation is good preparation, so level already, No need to grind. So that is the result of pure capping. So look at guys, that is the result of pure capping. So very good guys. That is a fourth layer, the last capping. Last layer. Final na yan guys. So wala nang kasunod yan. Tapos na yan. So again guys, the same our amperes and voltage guys. 420 amperes, 28 voltage. Our travel is 95. So sa left side guys, ito yung third layer. Ito naman yung fourth layer. So this is fourth layer, the last capping.